Hey friends, a lot of users have reported that when they try to switch on or switch off fast startup, the option is missing. Actually, it's grayed out. So I'll show you the real problem and the solution for it. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Now on the list on the left hand side, there is an option which says choose what the power buttons do. Okay, this option is grayed out. What can you do about it? Click on this option here which says change the settings that are currently unavailable, and the second you click on it, it will be available now. Okay, you can turn it off, you can turn it on, whatever you like, and then just select save changes and your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.